So today in this video we discuss about storage cell. So basically cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy, and it produce energy is DC. So basically cell is a device which converts the chemical energy into electrical energy and produce the DC energy, and it's working on the principle that if two different plates are immersed in electrolyte solution, an EMF produce between two electrodes. If the two electrodes are connected by a wire, suppose it is connected by a wire, so in that case we know that current starts flowing from one electrode to other. So this is the principle. This is the operating principle. So it states that if two different plates are immersed in electrolyte solution, so in that case an EMF produced between two electrodes, and if the two electrodes are connected by a wire, so current starts flowing from one electrode to other electrode, and it is basically classified in two parts. So number one, main parts are number one, electrode, ঠিক আছে, it is either positive or negative. Number two, electrolyte, and number three, container. So the cells are basically two type. Okay, so number one, this is primary, this is called primary cell. So in the case of primary cell, it is a device, which after converting chemical energy into electrical energy after delivering current to load but once it is fully discharged cannot be recharged again. So but once it fully discharged cannot recharge again. So its example is Daniell cell, dry cell, etc. And secondary cell, so we know that so it is a device which charge before putting into service and can be recharged again after discharge. Example: lead acid, lead acid cell, iron cell, etc. So there are some difference between the primary cell and secondary cell. Let's discuss it. So basically the primary cell, it is discharged once, cannot be recharged. And secondary cell, if discharged, can be recharged again. Number 2, it is light in weight. And secondary cell, it is heavy in weight. Number 3, it is longevity is low, so we can say low life, and it is long life. And sorry, this is 4. And the size, that is primary cell, it is small in size, and secondary cell, it is big in size. Number 5, and the cost, that is, in the case of primary, it is very cheap in cost, but the secondary cell, it is costly. So thank you.